well guys, today we are gonna be playing Throw Things and Fling Things. I think that's what it's called. Oh my god, I haven't even started. So I'm not showing a face reveal, so I'm turning off this. Alright. What's this? Oh my god. Hey! What are you doing? Hey, stop. What is this SpongeBob? Skater, Minky, Dinky. Oh, this is how I play. Oh no. This is how I play, okay. Let's land on this and see. What? What? Yo! Yo, this might be hacking. I'm flying. What is happening? Oh my god. Get the bam, a bam, a bam, bam. We're holding each other. We're holding each other. I'm holding you. What do you think of this? Thank you for letting. Oh, he's doing the same thing as me. Hey, do not suspect the sarcasm. Do not. Oh my God, we're flying. We're flying. I don't. Why Shelly the dinosaur? I hate Danny's world. I hate Danny's world. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Don't get me in the blue talkies. Why give me the blue talkies? Get out. I want to be in the blue talkies. What is this? I'm in the blue talkies. Like, what the heck? This is some talkie stuff. No, this looks like soup of Ratatouille. No. I'll record for 6 minutes and then I'll end the recording. Who's this cool? What the heck? Who is this chicken? Who is this chicken? Ah! The white chicken! Oh, piano. Don't mind if I fly with it. I can't pick it up. Hey! This is not how you play the game! Okay. Skidder minky dinky doo, skidder minky dinky doo, skidder minky dinky doo. Skidder minky dinky doo, skidder. I'm on fire! So, skidder minky dinky doo, skidder minky. Ow! Why would you do that? I'm holding a people and he won't. What is this femboy? Sorry if I said that, guys. There's a dragon. Dragon? No, it's a cat. I'm taking the cat with me. I'm gonna drive the cat. I'm gonna get on top of him. Can we drive on this? Can we get on? Wait a second. I have an idea. Oh my god, a man riding a cat. A man riding a cat. So crazy. Going wrong. A man riding a cat. A man riding a cat. Yo, stop. We're gonna crash. No! Go. Ow. What are you doing? Wait. I'm not going to blue talkies. Hey, you copy me! Lily, what are you doing? Wait, is that my friend Lily? I don't know. Let me call is that my friend Lily from TikTok? What are you doing? What? Dude, what? I heard fireworks. I know it's. Oh my god! I want to ride the cat. I'm on the cat. Get me on the cat. I'm on the cat. I'm on the cat. It lights every morning. Yeah, there's a flying cat trampoline here if you want to play on. I'm gonna sit. Ah! Wait, what's this? Wait for me. Oh, give me a cheeseburger. Give me a cheeseburger. I love cheeseburgers. Mayonnaise. Microwave. I need the microwave. I need to microwave this burger. No. I want to microwave the burger. Here we go. I can't. Why? Let me open this microwave. Oh my god. Put it in the literal. Oh, we can't. Okay. Put it in here. Shut this. Now let's start. Started. Man, get. Alright, start. I'm trying to make a burger! You destroyed my burger! What have you done? Oh, you're gonna pay for that. I don't know who was it, but Hello Kitty? Why is Hello Kitty here? I don't like Hello Kitty. I'm not a girl. You're going in the deep fryer. No, you're going in the microwave. You're going to Brazil. You're going to Brazil. I won't send this guy to Brazil. What are you doing? Alright, I'm gonna send you to Brazil. I'm gonna send you to Brazil. Sending you into Brazil. What are you doing? I'm sending this guy to Brazil. Ow! Sending this guy to Brazil. Stop it right now. What are you doing? I'm gonna send you to Brazil if you don't stop. Oh, you're gonna pay for this. Skitterminky-dinky-doo, skitterminky. No, get the blue ducky! Yeah! Now we're both dead! Oh, I didn't know I can do that. Why is there a chicken? Why is there a chicken? And the chicken's gonna die. Ow! I heard a firework, not get no heart attack, guys. I did not get hurt. BAM! I'm out. I'm gonna eat this. This is a purple talkie. Purple talkie. Oh no! 7 minutes! You know, we'll record for 7 minutes. Okay, this is for me playing. Oh no. Guess we're recording for 8 minutes. Okay, this is for me playing. Throw stuff and throw people, whatever it's called. Hope you like and subscribe. And always, peace.